everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, we're down in the bottom here at the area we were clearing on the last video. Went ahead and pushed over the cedar tree this morning first thing. I forgot to turn the camera on, imagine that. But try to get it cut up, a few other limbs, trees up here we drug up with a 180. Get this other maple tree cut down, get some brush pushed up, move on to the bigger cedars over there. So another day of clearing. Bring you along for it, try to get some different camera angles. So we got it dug up this morning. You can see it's pretty rotten. I mean, I don't have all the roots. It pulled enough of the fibers apart there, but you can see this side, it's split. Wasn't as rotten as what I thought, so once I got a couple more buckets dug out this morning, we were able to push it over without having to put the rope in it. So these gnarly cedar trees, I mean, it takes forever to deal with these limbs, but it is what it is. So not getting anything done talking. Might be some chainsaw work on this one today. Well, I'm trying to reposition the camera, get you guys the best angles I can. I think you got a lot of brush in that last one. But anyway, hopefully this makes more sense now. You can see that's the last planted corn. I'll throw a card up here. We still got to go over about 30-40 more feet, but then I can bring my field right down here, or my rows rather, spin you around without making you sick, all the way over to where the grass stops there, and then fingering the screen again all the way back up, and then that scrub of trees basically from the maple there all the way back can go 30 or 40 feet, and then all down through here. So I'm gonna say probably at least 2, maybe 3 acres just here on this side of the small creek, just by getting the valley down here and this right here out of the way. So that's what I'm after. Probably should keep some of those for poles, but they're oblong, and I honestly just don't feel like cutting all the limbs off. It's not worth it. There's plenty here. Technical, clerical slash error. When I said 2 to 3 acres, I don't mean just in what I'm clearing, but being able to utilize the field, because there's a whole area around the curve up there that I couldn't plant because all this gets in the way. So I don't mean just what you're seeing me clearing is going to be 2 or 3 acres, but this should turn this little field over here from, I'm hoping, about 2.5 to hopefully at least 4.5 maybe. So I'm gonna switch my battery out and put you guys on high speed, see what kind of footage we get. I might wrap this one up day 2 on the clearing. I don't know, we'll just have to see. here we are in the shop again, wrapping this video up. Everything went good today. Loader did phenomenal. Blew the radiator out today, spent about 30 minutes on that, and that really helped it, cooled it way down, about where it used to run. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get some fin cleaner like you clean air conditioners with, and spray that in there and let it eat some of that dirt and grime out, hose it out really good, and I think we'll be fine on that aspect. Like I said before, that little thing never lets me down. It's not a powerhouse by any means, but it sips fuel and it's always dependable, and it may take you a little bit longer to dig around a tree and get it over, but we got it. Those gum trees are a nightmare. I think what I'll do is probably stop on the footage in that particular area. You've seen enough of it, and I got some off the loader footage today, hopefully. It turned out well, rather. But I got to do, beside the field there, some of those box elder trees. So, we'll bring you back on that, but I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I got 2 more cedar trees, big ones there on that line to take out, and then we're going to move it over the creek bank, some small scrubs, get that finished, and probably call that side good, and then we'll move on to the side over there at the gully, and then up around that 30 or 40 feet up close to where I'm pushing the brush, and then we'll just work our way back as time goes along. So hopefully you're enjoying it. Bring it back for more. That's probably, unfortunately, what it's going to be for a while, is clearing videos. So if you're not interested, I totally understand. They don't do as well as some other stuff, but we're gaining ground acre by acre. That was the IP Farms motto back in the day. So we're going to get us some more fields to plant. But really appreciate everything, guys. Thank you for following on the journey with me. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So definitely stay tuned, and we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. Until then, thank you.